In this lecture video, we will discuss the conversion from base 16 to base 10. So class, mo ni ang step by step no, on how to convert the base 16 to base 10. First is get the 4-bit binary equivalent of each digit, then combine the result. So kaning first and second mao na ni ang atong binary nga equivalent sa base 16. And after that, from binary, we need to convert the binary to base 10. So again, masayon ra gyapon siya class kung moagi ta og base 2 kaysa mo direct ta og convert from base 16 to base 10. Naa siya solution for that class, but again that is complicated. So this is this is a easy solution for me, I think also for you. So let's try to convert this base 16 to base 10. So ang first step daw niya buhaton is ato sa i-convert ang base 16 to binary. So isa-isahon na to. So unsa may binary 4-bit siya class since we are base 16. So what is the binary of 6? So we have 4 and 2. So ang 8 is 0, then si 1 is 0. So we have 0, 1, 1, 0. Sunod si A, so this is 10. So we have 8 and 2. Then 4 and 1 is 0. So we have 0, 1, 0, 1. Then 8 is 8. Then 4, 2, and 1 are 0. So we have 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now we have the base 2. So we need to convert the base 2 to base 10. So the same na siya process class no sa kung unsa atong gi-discuss before. So to convert base 2 to base 10, we need this guide 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay, so nanatay kani nga guide nga numbers. So next thing to do is ato lang isulat ang atong binary from left to right. So first is 0, 1, 1, 0. Sunod 0, 1, 0, 1. Then 0, 0, 0, 1. Then all numbers nga naay 1 mo ra atong i-add. So we have 248 plus 128 plus 32. Okay, plus 4 and 2. Sakto ra ba? 2,000, we have 128, we have 32, 4 and 2. So let's add these numbers. Okay, so mo ni ang total. Kung wala ko nasayop, so we have 2214 in decimal. So this is our final answer, 2214 base 10. So inya na ra siya class. So we need to convert first the base 16 to base 2 before tamo convert direct sa base before tamo convert sa base 10. So we need the base 2. Okay, next sample. So sample problem. So we have the base 16. So sa may iyang equivalent nga binary. So 3 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 1, 1, 0, 0. 9 is 8 plus 1. So we have 1, 0, 0, 1. F is 15. So we have 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 15. So we have 1, 1, 1, 1. Next, let's convert this to base 10. So we need these. So we need these numbers as our guide. Then next, ato dayon isulat ang atong binary from left to right. Okay, so muna na siya atong binary. So again, ang tanan na ay 1, maora atong i-add. So if ato na siya i-add class, so we have 3987. So we have 3,987. So this is our final answer. So ingana lang siya class, no, on converting base 16 to base 10. That's all for this lecture video. Thank you for listening.